Welcome to this beautiful home nestled in a serene and secluded setting in Tillamook, a recreational paradise offering the best in coastal Oregon living. It's ideally located close to Tillamook Bay and just outside of town, close to city amenities and outdoor adventures. From the gated entry and private drive, enter your tranquil retreat, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Heading inside, discover a functional floor plan with abundant natural light, vaulted ceilings, and large windows. The light-filled kitchen features stainless steel appliances, including a new double oven, a spacious pantry offering ample storage, and a cozy nook for your morning coffee rituals with gorgeous views. It opens to the dining area. French doors lead to the versatile office or bonus room with built-ins. Unwind and relax in the large primary suite. It's complete with a well-appointed bath with a soaking tub and dual sink vanity. You'll find 2 more bedrooms and another full bath in this home of more than 1,500 square feet. Savor the views and the picturesque backdrop with room for gardens, an orchard with apple, plum, cherry trees, and a variety of berry bushes. Plus room for RV parking. Living here, you're close to fishing, kayaking, hiking, sightseeing, and the famous Tillamook Creamery and Blue Heron French Cheese Company. Schedule a viewing today to discover all the possibilities this home has to offer. For more information, please contact Rheola Coy with Premier Property Group.